Jimmy?
I wish I want to work at pizza.
You want to work at pizza? Why? It's fun? You're gonna eat a lot of pizzas?
No one put the older stuff. Guys, today we going at Domino's Pizza.
Yay! You're gonna order from Domino's Pizza?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get done.
Domino's Pizza is with pizza.
Okay, what size would you like?
Cheese
Okay.
with tomato and what kind of sauce you got?
We have marinara sauce, garlic parmesan, and Alfredo sauce.
You got white?
That's, yeah, you can do garlic parmesan or Alfredo.
Okay, we're gonna get white.
Okay.
So, you all set?
I think we're gonna get white sauce because I love white sauce.
Okay. Sounds good? Alright. You wanna pay to me? Come here.
What? Yeah, I'm gonna pay.
Alright.
So,
Do you wanna give it to him?
I'm not going.
push it. No, hold on. Down here. Put it in there. Other way. Turn it. There you go. There you go.
No.
And now you can take the card out. There you go. Do a trick for you guys.
So,
Go back in one.
yeah, then the donut.
What is that?
That's a dough?
The deeds.
That's boxes.
The dad. That's no dad and the wheel.
They're gonna
What? Oh my gosh, that was
Wow.
awesome.
see? You're gonna add the sauce now?
Yeah.
See the sauce?
Yeah.
And then he will add cheese on it. You see the
Yeah.
cheese? Mmm, that's a yummy, right?
Like we did at our house, now we go buy it.
And you're gonna put it in the oven now, right?
You got the oven.
It's going to the oven. Hey.
Washing this.
Mm-hmm. So they wash their hands here. And they do the pizza there. And that's the oven. You see the oven? That's here, but it's gonna be yummy, right?
Yeah,
You like
but
pizzas?
what are these?
Which one?
These.
This is a dough.
No,
It's a dough.
these.
That's a tomato sauce.
Why they putting that sauce into that one? Why you they putting?
That's it. Thank you.
Anything else we can do for you?
That's all.
coming in.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Where are we going next?
You're going to eat the pizza?
We're going to Walmart. Hi guys! Today we got pizza. So let's get
Where we
started.
got the pizza from?
From Domino's Pizza.
What was the pizza? Cheese and tomato, right? Who ordered a pizza? You or me?
Me.
All right.
Open the box, Dave. Open it, Mommy. Come on.
Okay.
Tim. Open the box, Mommy. Tim, open it. Open it, Ryan.
Hi, Ryan. Oh, let me see the pizza.
Oh, what kind is it?
Cheese.
Cheese. Delicious. You want to have a slice? Take a slice too.
Ryan, so funny. Just to get.
Take a slice.
Tell me how
Yeah,
does it
taste
taste?
Taste it, Ryan, and tell me how does it taste. Come on, Ryan. Take a bite, Ryan. Like your brother. Look at your brother. Like Tim, take a bite. Come on. Is it yummy? Do you like it?
Yeah, this.
Tastes good?
Yeah. Tasty.
Let me see the pizza. Mmm.
Does it have a lot of cheese or it's perfect?
Because I love cheese.
You like that? What else does it have? What else does it have other than cheese?
It got some bread.
And what else?
It's a tomato.
Tomato sauce.
Yeah, and that's it. And get some cheese.
Is it thin crust or thick crust? Or medium?
It's
It's medium.
medium.
Medium crust.
Yeah.
Ryan, no,
You
you
finish the
have one.
first one first, right? Eat your slice. Come on. So we give you a second one. You like it, Ryan? Yeah? Does it taste good? Eat more like your brother. Hold it. Hold the pizza. Come on.
So Ryan, you don't eat pizza? No? You don't like it? You don't like it?
Tasty.
Does it taste good to me? Yummy, right? Yeah. Is it cheesy? Let's show it.
What's inside?
It's a pizza.
What's inside?
It's a cheese, yummy cheese.
What's the tomato inside?
And
Eat this tomato.
who gonna eat first the pizza? Tim or Ryan?
Maybe I think
Who gonna finish it first?
me.
Ryan. What about you, Ryan?
Why?
Where's the pizza? Why didn't you eat any? Who gonna win today? Who gonna win today? Tim or Ryan? Timmy. Pizza.
I'm winning.
Yeah, you do.
Cheese.
Why don't you eat the pizza, Ryan? Timmy, you already finished the first one.
Oh. Is the second one?
Yeah, sure.
Different.
As much as you want. Hey, Ryan, you didn't finish your first. You don't get another one.
My pizza. You can put it on the same one.
What do you want, Ryan?
You get to take another
Okay,
one.
get it.
It's a big one. Look at this big. I go big. Who's going to finish, Ryan or me?
I think you.
Okay. You want to taste cheese? Want the cheese? What do you want to taste? Bye!
You're gonna finish eating pizza, Timmy?
We're going to finish eating a pizza.
You're gonna finish it all? You're gonna eat the whole pizza?
Yeah.
You like pizza, right? Okay. Hey, Ryan. Yalla, bye. Say bye.
It's good.
Ryan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ryan. Bye-bye, Timmy.